Welcome back. In today's video, we are diving deep into the world of bill entry in Excel. Whether you are a small business owner, an accounting professional, or simply looking to manage your personal finance, this comprehensive tutorial will equip you with the skills to master bill entry and enhance your Excel powers. This includes only 3 steps, so I would request you to watch this video till end. So let's get started.
Don't forget to subscribe now and press the bell icon for more videos.
The first thing that we have to do is to prepare the Excel worksheet. I am going to select the first 5 cells and then merging them and writing the name of the store. After writing the name of the store, again I am going to select the next 5 cells and again merging it and writing the address of the store. The next 5 cells are also merged and this time I am writing the bill invoice. Then I have to add the column headers. The first column header is the bill number. Next is name of the item. Next is rate, quantity, and then lastly amount. Now I am adjusting the width of the cells. Now let us just format these cells. I am giving a background color to the store name, changing the font color, increasing its size, and then choosing the appropriate font type. Similarly, the address is bold, the size is reduced a little bit, and the bill invoice is also bold, increase in size and appropriate font type. The headers of the columns are bold, center and middle aligned. Select the range of cells and then go to these borders and apply all borders. The second step is entering the bills. So first we have to add the bill number, then the name of the item, after this the rate, quantity, and similar is done with the rest of the items. Now after adding the bills, then it comes to the third step, that is calculation. So we have to calculate the amount. Start with the equal sign and then multiply rates with the quantity and press enter. So you calculate the amount for the first entry and then calculate the amount for the rest of the items by drag and drop method. Then merge these two cells and write total. Again merge these two cells and write GST 15%. Then again merge these two cells and write grand total. We will calculate the total by using the auto sum function. When we press the auto sum, the range of the cells is automatically selected. We just need to press enter. To calculate GST 15%, the formula starts with equal sign and then the amount on which we want to calculate 15% multiplied with 15 divided by 100 and then press enter to calculate the GST. After calculating the GST, we will calculate the grand total of this value plus the GST amount and then press enter to calculate the grand total. Now we are going to do a little bit formatting. First of all borders and then make it bold. Congratulations, you have now mastered the bill entry in Excel. By following these steps and incorporating the advanced techniques, you can easily create your bill invoice. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more Excel tips and tricks. Also, let us know in the comments below if you have any question or if there's a specific topic that you would like to cover in future videos. Thanks for watching and happy data entry in Excel.